This 2017 Jayco Precept 31UL is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Carvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stove-top burner, self-contained, water heater, external shower, TV antenna, slide-out, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Jayco Precept 31UL is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Carvel's RV.